Hello, my name is Will Powers, and this is my code in place presentation. And I made a bicycle gear ratio little computer. So these are the five major gear options. And let's start out with my gearing, which is a Shimano 2x-road. I have a 5236 on the front chainring, and my cassette is an 1132. And you click compute gears, and it tells you how far you travel in the lowest and the highest gear on the bike. And in the future, I will be making a second one of these in over here so you can compare two live. And then you can switch this and it automatically changes to the different options. Now to do that, I wrote a nested dictionary. As you can see over here, you have the Shimano, and then within that dictionary, you have a chainring and a cassette dictionary, and then that continues down. I also wrote, even for the one buys, I did the same thing. Even though there's only one item in the list, I made it uniform. To do this, I used tkinter. Pretty difficult to work with, but we figured it out. I say we because I went slightly outside the scope of class, and I had somebody help me write a Lambda function with classes to make this work in a live manner. And then I wrote all of the backend functions. And so I look forward to sharing the future improvements that I make, and thank you so much for Code in Place. It's been one of the best experiences of my life.